Hello guys, this is Bilal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scrap Amazon using Octoparse. It's a very powerful free web scraping tool that you can use to scrape leads from different e-commerce websites like Amazon. So this would be a tutorial step by step, so you would need to pay attention, and it's easy. I will show you step by step guide. First of all, what you need to do is first keyword. Your keyword would be this or any other. For this example, I'm using smartphones as an example for this video, and then it will show you this leads. So what I will do is copy the URL above, go open up the Octoparse app, and then click on this new icon and then click on custom task. After custom task, we will put in our URL that we copied and click on save. After it's saved, we will wait until the website is fully loaded. Okay, now that's fully loaded, we will increase the timeout to 300 seconds and click on apply, and then click on save. After that, we will click on got it, and then you can see this little bulb icon. We will click on that, and then we click on auto detect web page data. We will let it run until it's fully loaded. Now we will wait until it's fully loaded, then I will show you. Okay, so you can see Octoparse has detected good data here in the columns you can see. So I will just remove the columns that I do not need. For example, we need the price, we need this. Okay, we don't need this, we don't need it, we need the star rating, we don't need this, we won't need the image. I will show you how to later scrap the images. So from here we will just untick the add page scrolls, and we will let it keep it this way for the pagination, and then we just click on create workflow. After it has been created, what we will do is simply click here on one icon and make sure the item is this extra data selected here in the workflow on the right side, and then we will click on click element. After it's clicked, what it will do is go to the next sub page of this product. Okay, now that we are here, we would start scraping the data that we need. For that, we will click on plus and make an extract data tab. In this tab, we need the data, right? So what you will do is manually click on each data to get it, but we won't do it this way. In this video, I will show you how to do it with XPaths. What XPaths will do is properly ensure that each data is scrapped without getting messed up. For example, on brand, sometimes another listing would be operating system, so the position would be changed. To ensure that the XPath remains the same, we would use this custom XPath that I made. Keep in mind that changes in the future, so you have to deal with this, but I will mention all of the XPath that I'm using in this video in the description below. So first we will need to scrap the brand, so we will click on brand, copy it, go to Octoparse, click here, add custom field, capture data on the page. We will put in this here, and then we will name it as brand, and then we will click on confirm. After it's confirmed, you can see it's scrapping the Samsung. So you will do the same for all this operating system and all of the leads here. I will show you here. I may speed up this process because you don't want to see this. So yeah guys, everything has been scrapped from here. Now we need this about this item, so we will just go ahead, and I've also put in this about this item XPath here that you can put, and here we will get the about this item. So here we go, we got the about this item as well. Now we will need the images. For images, what you can do is, this is for just the first image, the thumbnail image. I will show you. Capture data on the page, this, go to the image, this would be the image column here. We will right click on the field, click on customize field, and then click on select image URL, and then you will see it will start. I'm sorry, this is the image URL here, so I will just name it as image URL. Now if you guys need other images, for example all the images, what you can do is create this XPath I've already made and just put change this here in the brackets the name for two, the three image, the for example the five image, the six image. So you can change this and you can get new images. So I on this video I will just scraping the first image as an example. So yeah, I think now we are set. We will go ahead and click options and increase the timeout. And now if we run it, you will see that will, but before we run it, we will click on pagination to make sure it's working and going to the next page. Okay, so we will see if it's going to the next page. Yeah, it's going, but for ensurety, we will also update the next page XPath. Here we go, and here we go, next page. Now if we run it and I will speed up this process, you will see that all the leads will be scrapped and will be saved in an Excel. So here you can see guys, the data has been scrapped successfully, and now I just stopped the Octoparse board to check that all things are working fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any web scraping requests, you may ask me and I will provide my email below. You can contact me.